What is up, everyone? It is time to make a bourbon barbecue turkey sandwich. This sandwich ain't gonna be pretty, but it's gonna be delicious. All right, first we gotta make the barbecue sauce. In a pan, over about medium heat, medium-low heat. You're gonna want 2 cups of ketchup, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of pineapple juice, 1/3 of a cup of bourbon, a tablespoon of molasses, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of hot sauce, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper or more to taste. And then you just want to stir this around till everything gets mixed. And like I said, simmer on medium-low, stirring occasionally so none of the shit burns at the bottom because, again, remember, there's sugar in there, and sugar burns if you look at it wrong. And you just want to simmer this for 15 minutes. All right. Pretty much that's the only thing we got to make. Let's get on to making the sandwich. Oh, by the way, I should have mentioned I did make some peppered bacon in the oven. That's basically just put some bacon on a baking sheet, pepper the shit out of it, pop it in a 300-degree oven until it's done. Takes about 20 minutes. Okay, on a griddle set to, I believe it was around 400. Let's start toasting up our hoagie roll for this sandwich. Basically just cut the bread in half and place it down. Okay, then followed by our turkey. Get yourself a spatula too, very important. Got a couple different cheeses, adding some salami. And trust me, if you've never done it, fry up some salami. It tastes delicious. Then you want to add some Gouda. And for some reason, take the damn thing off. Okay, Swiss. Was there a problem with Gouda? Oh, I think I remember one of the slices in the package was moldy, so I had to throw the whole damn thing out. Little water, steam tray. Get the salami off of there. And, well, I'll see you when we're ready to assemble the rest of the sandwich. Okay, got the sandwich done. Cheese is all melted up. Top bun right there. Add some barbecue sauce. And honestly, make your own barbecue sauces. Don't buy that stupid, like, Sweet Baby Ray crap from the shelf. Add some of our peppered bacon. And then that's it. I must have added the salami on the bottom. So that's a bourbon barbecue turkey sandwich. Done.